Hello,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine. And what's about you, sir?
I'm also fine. So, are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
So, are you ready for conversation?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Jaspal.
Okay. Tell me what class do you study?
I completed my 12th.
Okay. Which subject did you take?
My stream is commerce.
Commerce. What is your aim?
My aim is doing BCA. After then I go for job.
You go for job. Your aim is not business.
No, not business.
Your aim is job.
Yes,
Why do you like job? You are a young man.
yes.
You are not young.
I'm young man
Okay. So, why do you go for business? Why don't you go for business?
because business, doing business have money. I did not have any financial.
Okay. So, you want to go for job.
Yes,
Okay. What type of job you want to take?
I take job which is doing in computer.
Okay. So, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computer.
Computer. So, can you tell me the five parts of computer?
Of course, computer five types is computer and monitor uh, CPU and
What is difference between hardware and software?
hardware and software difference. Hardware in hardware,
Hardware means hard and software means soft.
hardware means that things which are cannot be seen, cannot be seen, cannot be touched.
Hardware
Software is which can be touched and seen.
which can be touched or which can be seen is software. I think you are wrong. I think the thing which can be touched, that is hardware, or which cannot be seen, that is software. But you are speaking wrong. Okay, tell me, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chapati and roti.
Chapati and roti.
And salad.
Salad. Chapati with salad. There is no combination. What type of vegetable do you like the most?
Potato, sir.
Okay, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit, mango.
Mango is your favorite fruit? Okay, so tell me five recipes of mango. What we can make?
I don't know recipe.
You don't know? We can make mango shake. We can make ice cream
I don't know five recipe.
of mango. You don't know?
No.
Okay, but just you like only mango.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So what is your favorite sports?
My favorite is sport, cricket.
Cricket. Tell me what is your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli is your favorite player. Why?
Because I like his batting.
You like his batting? You don't like him?
I like his batting style, and
You don't like Virat Kohli.
I also like
You
Virat.
also like Virat Kohli and you also like his batting.
Yes.
Nice, nice. What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite tea show is Tak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Dark Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Yes.
Tell me the five characters of this show.
Jethalal.
Jethalal. Who is Jethalal?
Jethalal in a businessman.
Businessman. Okay.
Tarak Mehta.
Who is Tarak Mehta?
Tarak Mehta is a writer
He's a writer. Okay.
and best friend of Jethalal.
Best friend of Jethalal. Okay. Fire brigade of Jethalal.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And
And Bide, Atma Tukaram Bide.
Bide. Do you know Bide?
Yes.
Who is he?
He's a teacher, but he's also secretary in
Secretary of.
Gogol Society.
Okay. And
And Champaklal Gada.
who is Champaklal?
He's father of Jethalal.
Who is Champaklal?
He's father of Jethalal.
He's father of Jethalal. Okay. And
And I talk about Popatlal.
Popatlal. Yes. Who is Popat?
Popatlal is a news. His work in a newspaper company.
He's a journalist.
Journalist.
He's a journalist. Okay. So who do you like the most?
I like most Jethalal.
Jethalal you like the most. Okay. Thank you very much. Please have a seat.